Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Can you see the bird in the tree?
Yes.
Good. Colour it yellow, please.
Pardon?
Colour the bird in the tree. Colour it yellow.
Can you see the yellow bird in the tree? This is an example. Now you listen and colour. 1.
Look at the bird on the kite.
Oh, yes. Can I colour it?
Yes. Colour it blue.
Great. The bird on the kite is blue now.
2.
Find the bird on the boat.
Sorry, which bird?
The bird on the boat. Colour it orange.
Orange. OK, I'm doing that now.
3.
Can you see the baby?
Yes, she's holding a bird in her hand too.
That's right. Let's colour that bird pink.
OK, now there's a pink bird in the baby's hand.
4.
Can you see the girl? She's painting a picture.
Yes, I can. And there's a bird in her picture.
Yes, there is. Colour that bird red.
Red?
Yes, please.
5.
Look at the boy's T-shirt.
It's got a bird on it too.
I know. Colour that bird purple.
Sorry?
Colour the bird on the boy's T-shirt purple.
OK.